Welcome to today's lecture, where we will explore how to effectively set priorities and schedule tasks with the assistance of ChatGPT. In our fast-paced world, managing time efficiently is crucial. ChatGPT, a powerful AI tool, can be a valuable ally in this endeavor. Let's dive into how you can leverage this technology to streamline your workflow. Prioritization is the process of determining the order in which tasks should be completed based on their importance and urgency. It's essential to distinguish between tasks that are urgent and those that are important. Urgent tasks require immediate attention, while important tasks contribute to long-term goals and objectives. Let's write in prompt. List my tasks in order of priority based on deadlines and importance. Task: complete project report, schedule a team meeting, reply to client emails, read a research paper. Once priorities are set, the next step is scheduling. This involves allocating specific time slots to tasks based on their priority and the time required to complete them. Effective scheduling ensures that you allocate enough time to each task without overloading your day. Let's write in prompt. Create a schedule for my day. Priorities: 1. Complete project report by 2 p.m. 2. Team meeting at 4 p.m. 3. Reply to client emails. 4. Read research paper in the evening. Utilizing ChatGPT for prioritization and scheduling. ChatGPT can assist in several ways. Number 1. Task breakdown. Breaking down complex tasks into smaller, manageable parts. In prompt, break down the steps needed to complete my project report. Two, time estimation. Estimating how much time each task might take. In prompt, estimate how long it will take to read a 20-page research paper. Three, reminders and follow-ups. Setting reminders for deadlines and follow-up actions. In prompt, remind me to follow up on client emails tomorrow morning. Four, alternative solutions. suggesting alternative approaches or solutions to tasks. In prompt, suggest a more efficient way to schedule team meetings. ChatGPT can be a powerful tool for setting priorities and scheduling tasks. By understanding how to effectively communicate with this AI, you can enhance your productivity and manage your time more efficiently. Remember, the key to successful prioritization and scheduling lies in clarity, consistency, and flexibility.